Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's been some time. I'm currently at my dad's. Today I'm going to, I don't know, but it's basically it's like a little farm park where we're going to today. Yeah, so this is the start of the vlog and I hope you enjoy it. And obviously that was a weird clip for intros, but new app. Obviously the app I used to use doesn't work anymore, so I'm using this app to record videos. So let's see how this turns out. We're going to be leaving soon. So yeah, I'll see you probably on the way to the farm or when we're there, but I'll see you then. So this is where we're going. Hoof Farm. It's in Animal Kingdom. Not too far away. So let's open this up. So this is like a little farm really. They got deers, pigs, donkeys, otters, owls, and everything's meerkats. They got deers and all that. They've got farm animals. They even do you can see there if it focuses, sheep racing. You got the new thing. You got lemurs now, lemur forest, and I think the deers are new. You can see here. Also these animals, which I have no idea what they are, but they're new as well. So this is where we're going, Who Farm. Yeah, not too far away, like I said. Well, possibly a 15 or 10 minute drive, depends on traffic, but yeah, that's where we're going. Looks pretty good. Can't wait. Off we go.
Right in the house, didn't you, last night? You said you found it.
Off we go. Yum.
This is a fucking stupid idea. Should have stayed at home and cold bath. Quite warm to have cold nips.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah. It blows my mind because when you have it done.
Sounds a bit like you asleep, what?
Wait. Hey. That's good. What's in there? Sheep. Oh, you get him.
Doris?
Why'd you call him Doris?
That lucky.
Dad.
It's on his nose. Oh, that's nice. George, don't you want to get a picture with him to go?
Llamas. Just fed them. Got some ostriches.
I'll say he's missing someone. Oh, he's shaking him. He's showing off. Is he going to get off his tail? qualified.
That's what you call a cockfight.
Oh, here comes another
Here
one.
comes trouble.
Here comes a big bugger.
Trouble, look. Look, he's going.
So you two pack it in. Yeah, it's just sorry about that. If there's a fighting, there shouldn't be. Here's his female coming behind him.
Oh, look at that one, he's big. It's a big one there.
What?
He wants to relax in the sun.
Legs are kindled.
He wants you to leave him alone, Dad.
Look here, look. Oh, look.
He's so relaxed.
Do a swap. You'd rather come down here than I'm happy to set up and
Hello. Oh. They're all on here, aren't they? Oh. Let's just jump over you.
Jump over your head.
Oh, here comes another one. Oh no.
One thing we can't really feed. No, so people always assume that's what they eat, yeah?
He's out with the pies, isn't he?
Look at him. Got one top there as well. The sun is shining.
He's something weird, isn't he?
He's a big one making all the noise. So cute.
Oh wow, look at them.
They almost look like little cats. There's three of them. He's grumpy because he got woke up. It's raccoons. Raccoon. Sun's affecting them. And it's the other one. It's hard to see that he's over there. He's having a sunbathe, isn't he? He's just chillaxing. And he is eating a chick. He's eating a bird. That's got a bit of fluff in his mouth. The otters. Free. Should we go for a swim? Oh, he's going in. But he's choosing, isn't he? Should I go in or should I not?
Hey, Bob.
He tired.
No, he's gonna annoy the porcupine now, ain't he?
There they are. Hey cats. Here are cats. Going into Wallaby Wood. Guys, you gotta watch out for the roots, mate, and the potential trip hazards. Well done. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Wallabies.
There's no dolphins, no red. Is that all? Red with some
Look,
There's a rat there on the log.
water. There you go, though.
This looks at this rat. Camera's not focusing. There's another one down there. So, camera. Perfect gift for Alex Whitty, Shrewsbury.
Used to sleep upside down.
Good.
It was a weird one.
Squawk.
I think you're a bit too old for teddy bear.
Get one for Cardi. Squawk. This one, man. German boy. Sue, best rubber.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys like this rubber? The rubber. Good. And thus ends our day at Who Farm. Have a good day. Back to the car now, get something to eat.
Yeah, we found a pub now.
Nice.
And a drink.
At the pub. Thank you. Thanks. Right, we're done for a meal. Very nice, I had the steak and chips. Whew. Very good. Food rating, probably 5 out. Stuff, 8 out of 10. Very good. Indeed. So we're on our way home now. Woo! And thus ends a day. Who Farm was good. Back home now. Back at my dad's, well not my home, but back at dad's. Very good. And look, I eat any of my snacks. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. 27th of May, full part vlog. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be good. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. See you in the next video.